Welcome to Brewer. We are the only homebrew supply shop in central Kentucky. So the premise of what we do here is you'll see we have a list of beers on tap. We typically have 10 to 15-ish. The point of this is to show the different styles for you to try. So for example, you would have a pint and then we would try to sell you a kit along those guidelines. And if you like that style, we have the exact recipes already made. We probably have 100 recipes of our own. And if you want to make something a little bit more specific, a little more detailed, we will help you build those types of kits. We also have the ability to make ciders, meads, wines, anything you would distill, anything along those lines. We can also do foods. If you wanted to make hot sauce, if you wanted to make sauerkraut, if you wanted to make yogurt, anything along those lines, pretty much anything that ferments is what we do here. We also work very closely with the University of Kentucky. So as you can see here, they have a program called Distillation, Wine, and Brewing Studies. I am an alum of this, and we sell them the beer kits for their beer class, and we are in talks to sell them the wine kits for the wine class. So another group we work very closely with is Bach. They are Brewers of Central Kentucky. It's essentially just a group of 100 or so well-educated brewers that are just trying to educate the community. Bach has been talking about trying to do a scholarship to help some students that are interested in this get through school, get into the program, pretty much start their journey in this. And here at Brewer, we would like to do a similar thing. We would like to have an intern position to where we can kind of educate the whole process if they wanted to start with the brewing side all the way to the bottling side. One of the issues we have with the UK kits is we have to ship a lot of them. Our competitors have a very good deal to where if you buy over a certain amount, the shipping is free. Unfortunately, we can't do that. So that's where we lose a lot of our business. So several years ago, around 2019, our main demographic was online sales. When COVID happened and all the shipping kind of changed a little bit, prices started going up, that kind of died for us. And now the Northern Brewer, the More Beers, they are the groups that have all that clientele. We would like to get back to that. We know how to do it. We just don't have good shipping rates. We can't afford to do the free shipping like the big guys can. We do have, here at Brewer, we try to give back to the community as much as we possibly can. One of the first organizations we worked with is called AVOL. They are a group that's trying to prevent HIV and AIDS in the Commonwealth. Another one we work with is Lexington Humane Society. We are very, very big into animals here. We love pets. We are a pet-friendly store, so please bring your puppies anytime you're around. We also make dog biscuits out of our spent grain, so we don't let any of our spent grain go to waste. We make all that here. Another thing we do is we brew Ukrainian beers. So there's this brewery was brewery in Ukraine called Pravda, and they release all their recipes online, and we make those beers and we send them all the profits.